In this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. So with Instagram, the only way that you can make a highlight is posting through a story, but we can always just get rid of that story, but your highlight will still stay there. So let's go to Instagram, and we're going to go ahead and add to your story at the top left-hand corner. And I'm just going to choose this photo here. What we can do here is we have two options. We can either share it to your stories or to close friends. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to choose your stories here. And it's important to know that you want to turn off sharing to Facebook because it will not allow you to archive your story here. So go ahead and hit share. And let's just share the story. So let's go ahead and quickly find that story. And what you want to do here is once you're on your story, go ahead and hit those three dots at the bottom right-hand corner, and you're going to get a lot of options here, and we're going to go ahead and hit archive. So once you hit archive, as you see, your story actually disappears. So let's go to our profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then we'll go to those three lines at the top right corner. And then once this loads up, we will go to archive. And then that's the story that we just posted. So now what we can do is go ahead and click on that archive story. Go ahead and hit highlight at the bottom of your screen. And then we're going to add to highlights. So go ahead and add that to your highlights. And let's go back to our actual page. And as you see under the highlights area here, that highlight was now uploaded and it's posted. That's really easy, very simple to do, and you can always go back to your archive stories and make more highlights out of those stories. But that's it. That's how you would go about adding highlights without actually posting an Instagram story.